Let me show you how to claim free 10 USD on hot wallet mining airdrop. So I hope you're already farming this, and if not, I'll leave you my link in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page so you can jump on it and start farming. So without any further ado, let's go straight to the asset page, right? You just scroll down and here your assets. So let's click on add token here. So it's already on BNB network. If it's not on BNB, you make sure it is, right? So we're looking for PYUSD here, PYUSD. So you turn it on. So you go back, and I have $10 on my balance, right? So let's scroll down again to the assets and look at this. I have $10 PYUSD on my wallet. It's that simple. All you need to do is just add the token, nothing more, nothing less. So there you have it, guys. Go claim this before it becomes late, right? Don't worry about withdraw. I'm putting together a tutorial on how to do that very soon. I want you guys to cast this one first so you don't miss out, on this giveaway. Thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.